Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Pepe video update today. And the Pepe is still hanging by a thread right now. Yesterday I tried to take the trade as well. You probably did try to take the trade, but still couldn't get successful. So it seems like this is like for the first time we've had a small manipulation here. You've had this falling wedge inside, you broke above, you're about to move to the upside here, but it seems like you couldn't even do it. But even though the falling wedge was kind of rejected and not in play anymore, the thing is that, you know, we still are nonetheless holding this support pretty sweetly right now. And as far as I can tell you, we saw a dragonfly doji right over here. Okay, so this is an amazing you know, candle, and I do think that putting a stop again down there is going to be better if you're trying to trade this sideways movement, if you're trying to trade anything regarding to Pepe on this parallel channel that you see. The parallel channel best stop loss is just below this you know, dragonfly right there. I do think now you do come down here, then that could be the end of this one, and try to retest it, and then boom, you get rejected, you go down, you dump all the way down for a 20% move all the way to the downside. So let's see what else we can look at. And we got the weekly time frame intact as well. You got 2 more days to close the candle, 2 days 17 hours. Today's Friday, then you're going to go into Saturday and the Sunday department, and then potentially see how the weekly is going to look like. Now the weekly, I don't know, it's just making some very random candles right over there, but in the next 2 days I'm really interested to see what happens. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm still supporting the coin, because support, hold support, support the coin. You're holding support, you do have chances to still climb back up right there, as long as you're going to hold it. And if you're not going to hold it, if you're going to have sellers, and the volume, if the volume actually drops down, it's going to go down as well. Now if you do compare Pepe with Bitcoin, Bitcoin was the one that made some trouble. Now if you look at Bitcoin, this was where Bitcoin was pumping up, and it suddenly dropped to the downside, and that's maybe what really caused Pepe to come down in the first place. Now whenever you're in a trade, I always say this, even in my private to my members, which is actually open now, so do join. And I do tell them that, you know, when Bitcoin is going to go, we actually took this trade, you know, yesterday. Told you that you do have an 8 to 9% trading opportunity. We tried to take it, we got stopped for a very small risk, but thing is, it was Bitcoin. You see, if Bitcoin is not going to behave well, the party is going to be destroyed by Bitcoin. So having a pattern from an altcoin itself is not enough, but we also need a Bitcoin, which is the king, to actually behave, so that the smaller kings behind it can also behave. And that's it for this update. You can learn more how to join the Signals group. And I've been able to give you Pepe 2 call for a 41% up in July. I've been able to actually earn a 20% from SDEX as well. I've given you ideas that Pepe 2 is actually going to go to the downside, and Pepe 2 actually went down. Not only that, but we had Vinu that pumped 33%, Bone that actually went 11%. So we're still earning in a bear market. Even though it's a bear market, we're earning. How do we do that? That's up on me. That's my research. But the truth is, a lot of people don't know how to research a coin when it comes down to trading and stuff like that. But I can actually do something where you can actually even get up to 30% per month through my skills and my knowledge, and that is through my private channel as well. I do open up the private channel on the 20th of every month, and it closes at the end of the month. If you join on the 20th, you get the whole 10 days for free, and your time actually starts from the beginning of the next month. And simply all you have to do is to go in one of my videos, and you're going to see Twitter or Discord. So if you cannot join Discord for some reason, if it's closed, just message me on Twitter to join the Signal group. Well, that's just all. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to get your messages in there. That's it. Bye.